Hey guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another video. Today we're using our Silhouette Cameo machine to make this really cute French door easel card. You can see there in the front is birthday theme. It opens up like this, so you have the inside of the card there, and then the front of the card sits on these pieces here. So it looks like that on your desk. Very, very pretty card and really easy to make. Alright, let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are inside the Silhouette Studio software. Now to access my designs, I want to go to the upper right hand corner and click on where it says Library. This will bring up all the files I have. Left hand side, I created folders. I'm going to go to the one I labeled Videos to find the project we're making, which is this one right here. This is a French door easel card birthday balloons. It is a Lori Whitlock file. The design ID number is 401737. So to bring that design onto our workspace, just go to double click on that. And you will see we have all the pieces here. I'm going to separate the pieces. So we have that piece. I'm going to organize them by color as I'm separating them. Take this piece off. Now this is a print and cut piece. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to right click and choose ungroup and just cut out the white piece instead. So I'm going to get rid of that piece there. And then we have this balloon. This one up here, this one, and I'm just going to put all the stars next to each balloon that it goes to and then group those together. And then we have the brown piece over here, and then we have these three right here. And you'll see the notation that she put up top here that says 8 inches wide. So you're able to cut this out on a sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Right now I'm just going to group all those colors together just by highlighting everything and then right click and choose group. Alright, so let me bring that red balloon over here and group that together with this one over here. Alright, group that together. Alright, so we have all these pieces. I'm going to first send this one to my machine. So I'm going to bring this up here, just lining it up. Actually, I'm going to get rid of this piece there. So I'm going to delete that. We don't need that piece. Alright, so I'm going to send this to my Cameo, cut that out, come back. I'll delete this piece. Then I'll bring all these pieces up just in all 4 corners. And this one here. And actually these stars, I don't want it to be the same color as that, so I'm actually going to ungroup that piece. Because this is my pattern paper, I'm going to bring that one over there. And then go back and group all these stars together. So I'll just put scraps of cardstock on all 4 corners of my mat, cut all those pieces out, come back and then delete those. And then grab my 2 white pieces. So I have this one up here, this one. My pattern paper is over here, and then the other piece of my brown. This is the same, whatever color your card base is, you want this brown piece to be the same color. I'm going to cut everything out, go to the table, and we'll put the card together. Alright, everything is cut out, so let's go ahead and fold on our score marks here. This is a really easy card to put together. Alright, then we have the white piece for the inside. I'm going to go ahead and glue that in there. Going to go right here. Alright, now on the outside we have this piece, which is where our pattern paper is going to go. So I'm going to glue that down. And the cardstock color I'm using is Spring Rain from Paper Tray Ink, and the paper I'm using is from the Funky Town paper pack, also from Paper Tray Ink. Alright, so we're going to put that here. And I chose this plaid one because it had all these colors in it. Alright, so this is going to go here. And you're going to see where it lines up, just on this little piece right there. So I'm going to take that and glue this one down. Just going to line it up with that piece down there. sure it's nice and straight. Alright, so now we have our white piece that has all of our balloon pieces on them. Alright, now we have our little gray pieces for the outside. So, let me bring this over here. So we have a balloon here, one here, and one here. Now if you want to, you could use these little stars. I'm not sure if I want to use them or not. I might want to use the blue ones that are the same color as my cardstock. Let me try to figure out how I want these to go. I think I'll pop that one up and put another one right here, maybe like that. Maybe like that. I think I'll pop that green one up. Alright, so I'm going to put a little star here and a little star maybe down here, or I might use gems. I don't know if I have, and these are the ones I got from HSN. Die Press. I think I'm going to use the gems. I have this blue color here. Let's see how it goes with my cardstock. Doesn't match completely, so maybe I'll use oh, we have this blue too. Let me look at this one. See which one matches better. Alright, so I think I might go with that one, or I could just use silver. What do y'all think? Should we just go with silver so it's a neutral color? Alright. Alright, so I think I want to go with the silver. I like this one, but I think it may be a tad bit too dark. So we're going to go with the silver. So I'm going to eliminate the stars. I do include the stars in your card kit. Alright, so I'm not gonna use them. Now what I want to do is take a black marker and just draw my lines for my balloons. Before I do that though, I'm going to stamp. Let me find my ink. Should have came prepared, I did not. I'm trying to find my Spring Rain ink. There it is. Alright, so now what I want to do is bring in my little foam mat. If you don't have a foam mat, you can also use a piece of felt. Or not a piece, just a piece of fun foam. I'm going to ink this up, and I'm using typewriter stamp by Stephanie Bernard. I don't know if I want to do it in blue or in, I think I'm going to go with the black. Alright, we're going to stamp that in just Versify. Alright, let me go ahead and stamp off somewhere. Okay. I'm going to stamp my greeting first. I'm actually going to stamp on this side first to make sure it's good, and it is. Alright, so we're going to stamp my greeting first. Okay, I think that looks pretty cute. Alright, so we got that done. Let me show you the stamp that I was using. Right here. Typewriter one, really, really cute. Alright, so I have that. Now for our balloons. So I'm going to put these here. And then I'm going to pop this one up, but I do want to draw lines. I'm just using a black marker, just so it looks like they're all connected. Like that. Then I'll just kind of draw like a little thing there. Okay? Super easy, right? Alright, now we're going to take our glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. And we're going to put these balloons down. So this is also paper tray ink. This is Terracotta Tile. The pink that I'm using is Lovely Lady. And the green that I'm using is Parakeet. I'm going to pop that one up. Alright, so I will include the gems in your card kit. Alright, I'm just going to pop this one up. There we go, I like that. Alright, now we're going to do about 3 gems on here. Let me grab my little poker tool. And I think I'm going to go with the smallest of the 3. So I'm going to put like one right here. Maybe another one up here. Just kind of scatter them. a little bit like that. Okay, so that's what the front of the card looks like. All right, now we're going to flip it over and then glue these pieces on. And this is also paper tray ink. This is soft stone, I believe. It's like a mix between a gray and a cream. And I have an ink smudge there. So that's going to go here. I'm going to grab my mono eraser to erase that. I absolutely love this little tool. I think that looks pretty cute. Alright, so now we're going to pop this up as well. I'm going to grab my foam squares for that one. And then I'll show you the card kit in a minute. Can't get that one off my finger. And I'm going to use 6 on this one. You'd think that was a motorcycle. It's not. It's a truck. It's like the loudest truck ever. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to pop that up right here. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. Okay. Then to stand it up, you see these little notches right there? That's where your card is going to sit. So it just sits in that little notch right there, and then that one sits in that notch there. How cute, right? Alright, so there you have the card. And then just to fold it, just go to Janet. And now it's normal A2 size card. It'll fit in an envelope. Alright, so I have the card kit here. As you can see, I put all the little pieces, the balloons and the stars in a little baggie. I will also include the 3 rhinestones as well in an envelope, and it will also include the finished card with an envelope. So to win the card kit, so just leave me a comment below with a balloon emoji. I'll pick a winner on Saturday. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.